there is something that is called transgenerational therapy. It's not DNA, it's not genetics, it's actually cellular memories that goes back from our parents, grandparents, and grand-grandparents. It's just transforming. We can actually reprogram it. They say it goes 7 generations back. And the moment that we actually taking responsibility of our body and start listening to it, we can actually affect the 7 generations forward. It's a long tradition of the Maya history, the Mayan Indians. So in a way, in the past, okay, we were looking more into the emotions. Only just recently, somebody discovered that the mind and the body are connected. Bravo. It was known for thousands of years. All the ancient healers and shamans knew about it. Suddenly, they made the discovery that is not accepted by all the medical profession and not accepted by all psychologists. We're just removing symptoms. We're telling people don't feel. We're putting people on chemicals that actually are repressing their emotions. We actually become walking zombies on antidepressants and kind of horrible medications like this.
Okay. Can you give us some example of what big changes people who work with you have made thanks to your work?
Okay. In a way, it's not only the symptom. It's about you making big changes in your life. So, and I want you to imagine that 10 years have passed and 20 years have passed, and nothing, absolutely nothing in your life have changed. You're still living in the same house, you are in the same relationships, and you use the same boring job. What is your passion, your mission? What do you like to do? It's about not only curing or eliminating some symptoms, it's about making very profound life changes. It's about looking at yourself and ask yourself, when I wake up in the morning and I get out of bed, why? Just to make money, to pay the bills? Is there more to life to that? So yes, people change their personal lives, their professional lives, they found new careers, they found more fulfilling life, they start to use their real potential. We all have potential, we all have a brain, but do we really use it to its full potential? Do we really use it to who we really are? So it's not only curing something, it's finding who I am, who I really am, who is my authentic, real self. The disease is just a symptom. This is it. Let's look deeper.